Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between the hills, there lived a young man named Arjun. He was restless, always seeking more wealth, more success, more recognition. Yet, no matter how hard he worked, he felt empty inside. One day, tired and frustrated, Arjun heard about a wise saint who lived in a forest nearby. Many said that the saint could solve any problem, so Arjun decided to visit him. After a long journey, Arjun reached the saint's humble hut. The saint, an elderly man with a peaceful face, welcomed him warmly. "What brings you here, my son?" the saint asked kindly. Arjun, eager to find answers, said, "I work hard every day, but I am never satisfied. I want more money, more power, but it feels like something is missing. Please, show me the way to happiness." The saint smiled softly and nodded. "Come, sit by the river with me." They walked to a nearby river. The saint pointed to a small, clear stone in the water. "Look at that stone," he said. "It's simple and small, yet it is content." Arjun squinted, confused. "How can a stone be content? It doesn't have anything." The saint chuckled. "It doesn't need anything. It exists in peace, just as it is. You, too, must learn to be content with what you have, rather than chasing after endless desires." Arjun thought for a moment. "But I want to achieve great things in life." The saint nodded. "That is good. Ambition is not the problem is the desire for things that never bring true peace. When you chase after what you don't have, you forget to appreciate what you already possess." The saint then took out a small cup and filled it with water from the river. He handed it to Arjun. "Drink this." Arjun drank it, and the saint asked, "Do you feel the difference in your heart now?" Arjun paused, his mind calmer than before. "Yes, I do." The saint smiled. "True happiness comes from within, not from things you acquire. Work hard, but remember to live in the moment and appreciate life as it is." Arjun bowed deeply, understanding at last. He thanked the saint and left with a newfound peace, ready to live his life with balance and wisdom.